Now check this out, $4.4 million sitting in my Phantom wallet right here. All of it came from deving meme coins, not trading them. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how I did it right now into this video. When I started, I spent hours trading meme coins, scanning the trenches, and chasing pumps. But every single fucking time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely rugged or dumped on every single coin. And that's exactly when I realized the real profits do not come from trading meme coins. They actually come from deving the actual coin. Because by deving your own coin, you control everything. From the supply, the liquidity, and the narrative. It's all yours. You decide everything. You cannot lose anything as a creator because creation is free and dumping is for profits. But if you keep trading, you will eventually lose everything because you have no control on your position. But with Bitcoin breaking highs and Solana on fire, it's the best time to start deving. Remember, Solana is above $230, which means the volume is extremely high right now. And by the way, this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice, so please don't copy me. Cap! Now, some of you guys might think that we use Pump.Fun to launch meme coins and make money from it, but that's completely wrong. In reality, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Thousands of tokens is flooding the site daily and die before anyone even sees them. There's just too many coins and not enough trenchers to buy every single coin. And on top of that, if you dev a meme coin on Pump.Fun, you don't even control your own liquidity, so you cannot even move the money and you cannot even make profits. And your project gets buried instantly because there's too many coins. That's exactly why I completely switched to create tokens.io, because on this website, your coin launches directly onto Raydium. It's immediately graduated, which means it will skip the bonding curve progress and it's gonna go directly onto Raydium, which will be shown to thousands of potential traders, just people trenching every single day, right? You are getting a shit ton of visibility. That's the key, because if 10,000 people sees your coin, you only need 10 to 20 people to buy your coin to make a couple $1,000s, okay? That's completely doable. And also, by launching coins on this platform, that means faster trades, more control over your money, and way more visibility. That's exactly why tens and thousands of people are coming to create tokens.io. But now, here's how to do it on create tokens.io. You have two different options to, make a coin. The first option to make a coin is, first of all, to create from scratch. So go on X and look for something that's hot, okay? Something trending, not some bullshit ass meme, something funny with a couple viewers that could be attractive for buyers. For example, BNB is taking over Pump.Fun. That could be good for a narrative, okay? Just a quick little meme. CZ, nah, that's bad. But yeah, you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, set your name, set the symbol, add a quick image, right? By taking a screenshot, then putting it here, and click next. And after a couple more steps, you are done. Your coin is created from scratch. But the second method, that's my favorite method because it's the one that makes the most money by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now all these coins here are all trending on Pump.Fun currently. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch instantly onto Raydium, and because they already have attention and volume, you will get instant buyers and stronger profits from the start. Copying coins might be a cheat code. You guys will see how it works. Okay, let's get to the fun part of today's video. I'm about to dev a meme coin so you can watch exactly how to make a coin and, make some bread potentially. So first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to the website, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the Backrooms coin. It has a last buy 7 seconds ago and a $33,000 market cap. So click on create coin. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Just do proceed, confirm, click the checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be created soon. 1, 2, 3, boom. And if I go in scan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain. Anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page couldn't be easier. We're adding liquidity into your own token so your coin becomes trade ready onto Raydium once it's live, okay? Buyers can jump in instantly. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to do, okay? Because Pump.Fun controls the liquidity, okay? But now you control all the money, okay? Now for the token A, just, tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. You are keeping 10% of the coins. For the amount token B, think of this as your first seed buy. Every investor in your own project. You are not spending that Solana for good, it's just locked in temporarily. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and once you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL for your first buy will come straight back to you inside your Phantom wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is a bit above the minimum just to be safe. Make sure you have enough, click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Backrooms coin is on live, our P&L is at $0, and we have 900 million tokens right here. Now if you do click on the refresh button, now we can see our profits going up. It's at $200 now because people are now buying our coin on the migrate section. A shit ton of fucking buyers are gonna start coming in. Anyways, before you miss out, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen. Let me scroll down. Let's go. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? Let's go! Now it's time to dump the coin and make some money. Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. I just can see, bro. These are not my wallets. These are all random people's wallets. It's actually insane, bro. It's all pumping. Oh my god, this is the power of the Raydium DEX, but soon it is going to retrace just a bit because, yeah, I told you guys, it is going to retrace just a bit because now people are going to start taking their profits out. Dude, this is why I copy coins, because when you copy coins, you are basically copying viral narratives, okay? And you are just making money off of it. Now, you guys can see it's actually insane. A shit ton of buyers are coming in, all live on camera. I'm already at the 2.5k market cap. Things are looking good. Guys, you have to not miss out, okay? Dude, it's actually insane. Now, this method will never be saturated because it's just too good. Oh my god, bro. This is juicy for us. This is really juicy. Oh my days. Now guys, ooh, that hit hard. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin a bit more time, and when I'm back, we're going to make some money. You guys will see. Okay guys, I'm back. This coin is just too good to miss out. I think before it goes even downer, I'm gonna make some money. We're going to dump it, okay? So come back to createtokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button. Okay, now we're up $1.61,000 with a 4.8k market cap within a couple minutes. Like max 3 minutes. That's absolutely insane, bro. Like, you guys do not have to miss out, okay? Click on the minus button, do 100%, click on the red button real quick. Let's see what happens. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive around 7.4 SOL, which is not too shabby. Before it goes down, click on confirm. And bang! That's how you launch a coin and make some money. If I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, $1.68,000 straight inside my Phantom wallet. I think I had like 50 bucks before this, so it's a 1.6k profit.